The benefits of home design services and room space planning. It is better to use a professional design service than do it yourself. The best type of service to use is one offered by a furniture retailer. You can save a lot of time and effort using an online company that can provide a planning service, and then offer the furniture needed for the resultant plan. The internet is hard to beat when hunting down your needs and giving yourself not only a good chance of finding suitable home design services, but also one that can supply the ideal furniture to meet your plan. If you can locate an online furniture retailer that has links to a number of associated manufacturers, then you are sure to find what you are looking for. Not only that, but if you are adding to your plan over time, you will need each piece to match irrespective of when they are purchased. By combining the two, the home design services and the furniture retailer, your vendor will be able to make sure that everything matches, even if you purchase from more than one manufacturer in your vendor's list. There will be no mismatching,